Hello everyone and welcome to SyncApps by Cazoomi. In this video, we're gonna show you how campaign responses brings back campaign metrics to Salesforce using SyncApps by Cazoomi. What is a campaign response feature? Or how does this feature work? So this feature is our term for syncing back the marketing automation solutions campaign metrics, such as the opens, clicks, and bounces back to Salesforce. So instead of manually going in or logging into your marketing automation solution to check the reports, we will automatically sync those over to Salesforce for you. Right, so might also check this article here to see how each of the campaign response sync modes work, and also this campaign layout for if you're using the create Salesforce campaign plus activity, or bring back marketing metrics only. Right, so might also check this on the description on this video. Right, so in step 1 of the integration setup, you will need to enable the feature that says want to track marketing metrics such as opens, clicks, and bounces back to Salesforce from your marketing automation solution campaigns. So under the campaign response sync mode, there are 5 sync modes available. The first one is create Salesforce campaign plus activity, the mix of 2, create contact or lead notes, bring back marketing metrics only. If you're using Apto or any other built-in Salesforce platforms that doesn't support the campaign object, you might need to select the create activity or create contact or lead notes. Right, so the first one is about the create Salesforce campaign. So if you'll select this feature, the create Salesforce campaign or create Salesforce campaign plus activity, or the last one, which is the bring back marketing metrics only, be sure to hit the next button. So the purpose for that is to make sure that the fields for this campaign object will be created automatically by us. So for that campaign layout, again, please check the description to see the link about the getting started with campaign layout fields in Salesforce. Okay, so for this create Salesforce campaign, for example, you're sending a campaign to that specified main list in constant contact, and when the scheduled sync runs, we will then automatically create that Salesforce campaign with the same name of that marketing automation solution campaign. So for example, constant contact, this is the name of your constant contact campaign. So when you click that one, you will then see the template as an HTML file, and under the campaign members, these are your campaign recipients. So when you click the view all, you can then see the engagements of those contacts, like those who opened, clicked, or bounced from your email. And when you opened a contact level or lead level, you will then see the engagements under the campaign history, like this one here. So if you're using the create activity as the sync mode, you will also see the responses on the activity timeline or the activity history. But if you want the mix of 2, which is create Salesforce campaign plus activity as the sync mode, you will see the create Salesforce campaign or the Salesforce campaign and the activity as well. If you're using the create contact or lead note, make sure that you have the notes and attachments under the related lists, so that we can attach the responses as an attachment, like this one here. So when you click that attachment that was synced by us, you can then see the details like the name of your marketing automation solution campaign and also the responses or the engagements here. And the last one is the create or bring back marketing metrics only. So if you enable this feature, actually this works the same way with the create Salesforce campaign. The difference is just that for this feature here, for this specific sync mode, bring back marketing metrics only, we will just bring the overall, responses, like the total number of opens, clicks, and bounces from that constant contact campaign. So if you select this feature, just make sure that just hit the next button and then map individually the opens, clicks, and bounces on the campaign tab here. Right. So just make sure also to have these fields on your campaign page layout so that you can map these metrics from your marketing automation solution campaign to Salesforce. So this is how it looks like on the Salesforce side. So that will be on the details, like this one here. Right, so if you need help in setting up your integration, just head over to the dashboard and you will see the contact support team, or book your session so that we can review your integration setup and also your campaign setup as well.